Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I have a new product. It's basically the chargers for the Note 8, Galaxy S8, the C Charge. Comes 3 in a pack. In my description there will be a link of where to buy. Check it out. Come in just like this. Okay. It comes 3 different colors, red and gold, black and red, white and silver. As you can see, it's that style. It looks very heavy duty. Get one open. Check it out. It's about 3 foot. Very nice built, thick wire. Awesome. Well, just wanted to get this out there. In my description there would be a link and where to buy these chargers. You get 3 in the pack. Very good. Goes right into your Note 8 and it clicks. Clicks real tight. Very good. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.